On a cold winter morning in 1997, hundreds of Uyghurs took to the streets of Ghulja demanding freedom, justice, and an end to oppression. The Chinese government responded with brutal force. Security forces opened fire on unarmed protesters. Blood stained the snow-covered streets. Thousands were arrested. Many were tortured in prison, some executed in secret trials. The Ghulja massacre was just the beginning. The Uyghur genocide continues. Silence is complicity. The world remained silent, but the memory of the Ghulja massacre lives on. Act now.